How's she going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's Workshop. Boys, it's great when you drop by the shop. You know, it's getting close to Christmas, so it's time to put up some ornaments. So, Nannie and I used to decorate the camp up pretty good for Christmas. But, you know, as you get older, that you still want to do it, but, you know, physical limitations step in. Rear their ugly head, as they say. But there's one decoration that we want to use, and we use it all the time. We've put it at the camp here since we had the camp. And prior to that, in our other house in town, we had this decoration for many years. But it's a manger scene. For me, I think that's the heart and soul of Christmas is Jesus being born in the manger. And if we're going to do any decorating at Christmas, it's certainly going to be a manger scene. So Nannie and I have a little manger that we have in the camp. We put that up every year. And I also have a manger scene that we've had since since Jesus was a baby. No, but we had it a long time. But anyway, I'm going to put that up on the barn here where the little Massey Ferguson tractor was. I'm going to take that down, put the manger scene up there. I sure hope you like it, and I sure hope you have a great Christmas. there's the semi-finished product. Not bad. Alright, I'm glad I got the manger up, because to me that's the heart and soul of what Christmas is all about, is Jesus in the manger. And we've had that ornament since a long, long time, so I'm glad I got it up. I'll put some garland around that later on. It's getting kind of dark now to work, so maybe tomorrow. It's supposed to still be kind of halfway nice tomorrow, so I'll get that up. But you know what, even though it was kind of halfway nice today, the temperature, I think it was 10 or something this afternoon when I started, those aluminum ladders, oh boy. No wonder they put beer in aluminum cans. It's just a natural coolant. Anyway, they're a little warmer now anyway, I can feel them. It was a little bit more involved than what I thought, because I had changed that shelf, because I had kind of a routine for putting it up there, but because I changed the shelf, then that all went out the window. I had 3 ladders, and oh man. Anyway, I got her up. I hope you enjoyed this little video about putting the manger up here at the camp, Nannie and I getting ready for Christmas. Take care, everyone. I sure hope you enjoyed the video. I sure hope you have a wonderful, joyous, happy celebration at this time of the year. For us, it's Christmas. For other people, who knows, you know, but whatever it is, enjoy it. And have a great week. We'll talk to you.